Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video we will make FUSDT, and before I start telling you how to make FUSDT, let me first tell you what is FUSDT. So normally it is a USDT token which when you send it to any wallet or send it to anyone or send it to any such website or anywhere, it will expire after some time, after a deadline, that is, it will disappear from there. So this is the total work of FUSDT if we talk roughly. But in today's video, we will only create the FUSDT. We will not add any liquidity or anything like that on it, so you cannot buy and sell it. If you want, then you can put your Byline's wallet address in the comment section and I will send you this token for free. So overall today we will create FSD on the blockchain of balance, which will expire after a certain number of days. So first of all, to create FUSDT, we will come to our favorite remix ID. Okay, so we will open remixethereum.org. Now after opening, we will create a file here. In the file we will write fustp.so for annual and press enter. Okay, now I have already written the code here. You will find this code in the description or in the comment section of the company. Okay, so this will obviously give a warning. So overall I will explain it to you. You can put whatever name you want, so I have put either here or you can put anything. Okay, or let's do it like this. You can put any name like cryptocurrency FUSD. After that there is its ticker symbol, that is the short form symbol comes. There is written USD. This number of means how many tokens you have to generate. So here it is 1 million. You can make it any number. You can make it 1 billion. You can make it 100. You can make it 200. So right now I will keep it 1 million as it is, and we don't have to do anything else. Okay. So once we created the usb.solar file and copied the code in it, I pasted it. I changed the names, etc. as per my requirement. USPT18, I have done all this. Okay. Now we will run it. So compile as beauty.sol. So it has been compiled. After compilation, we will deploy it. We will do it through deployment mass. Okay. Now see here it is saying duration in days. So you have to enter the number of days after how many days this USDT, this FUSD will expire. So suppose I will enter 10 days for you. Okay. It will expire after 10 days. So you have to write the number of days here. And once you have written the number of days, then you will click on deploy and it will open here. Here it is showing OK network PLL. Let me cancel. I will check first how much BND is there in this account. There is only one. $15, that should go. Let me also reduce the quantity once, or else let the quantity remain the same. The quantity should not make any difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let me do one thing. I will eject it and that's fine. I will make it in 10 minutes. So if you want to create it on BNB, on main BNB, then you can simply go here and click on balance merchant and choose that. Then it will be created on original main chain. Right now I am also creating test on B and fit. So here I have 08181 test also and V. So right now I have chosen test also. Now I'm giving the number of days. I will reply in 10. Okay. So now it is showing that I have switched to testnet and I am not facing any problem. So I have confirmed it. Now here our contract has been deployed successfully. In this wallet, I mean the wallet on Chrome, I had only 1.81 BNB. So I have kept it normally for transaction. That much was there for transaction fee. That is why there was no reply. If you want to try on testnet first, then you can try on testnet and then deploy on mainnet. There will be no issue. Just before deploying whatever MetaMask you have here, whichever wallet you are connecting, you will choose BNB mainnet coming from here. If you choose mainnet, then it will be deployed on mainnet. If you choose test BNB, then it will be deployed on test BNB. Now you will see that the token here is okay. This is created. Now we will expand it. I will expand it for you by clicking here. Okay. It will look something like this. You can expand it and copy the contract address here. After copying, if you open your wallet, will you not see where the token is? Okay, I created FSD once before, so now I will simply import token here and paste it here and click next. Okay, so here now it has started showing USDT. This means USDT has been created on this chain of finance because these 10 lakh USDT have come to me. If that means it is not needed in this video, but maybe I will create it again on the mainnet by connecting my other wallet. But the process will remain exactly as it is. There are no changes. You just have to change the name, you have to change the symbol, you have to change the quantity in the number of days. And what will happen is that now after 10 days, this token will expire there. Now, how will it expire in the terms that it will still exist on the test BNB on the blockchain, but it will become non-transferable, meaning it will neither be transferred anywhere, nor will it be visible, nor will anything happen. So its value will be $1 then, its value will not be $1. In fact, okay, that is a matter for later, but this will be a flash utility kind of that will flash after some time duration. So I hope you like this video, and if you need it when I am making it on the main net, then please let me know in the comment section. I will send it to you. So we will meet, and before that, subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.